He restores sight to those once blind, hearts filled with faith now left behind. Steps through the crowd, hands that caress, in every moment purest bless. People watch in awe, they cry, every wound healed, no more lie. Divine seed, hope and grace, feel the power in this place. Miracles unfold in the golden glow, voices silent, hearts overflow. Every life he touches blooms anew, in every healed soul faith holds true. People watch